Welcome back, folks. So I'm here again. This video I'm just making for today's daily bias. Let's start from DXY. This is DXY daily chart. You see, this is today's candle. There is the weekly fair value gap, and yep, right now it's trading from the weekly fair value gap lower, and it's going down. My thinking is it will go and find some support over here. We'll see that in the lower time frame, then it will go through this weekly fair value gap. Let's go to the hourly chart. Yesterday I was thinking that it will come and support this order block, then it will go lower, but I told that yeah, it can come back to this hourly order block again, then go to the upside. But as you see, price, everything is precision, nothing is certain. So price come here, then go up, make the equal high, come down. Right now it's trading over here. There's nothing to see in hourly chart, but if we go to the 15-minute, you will see this parallel gap. it it has support over here, so I think it won't break, it won't go lower, because this old parallel gap and also the recent 15-minute parallel gap that is there, both are in the same position. Market come here and now going up. So my initial target is it will go to this buy side liquidity, then here, and if it is extreme, then it will just go over there. Right now my thinking is it will go through this fair value gap, also the weekly fair value gap. It will go all over this. That's all for DXY. The thing is, as I'm expecting the higher price for DXY, I will expect the lower price for mini S&P. Let's go to the ESCO 3. Okay, this is the daily chart. You see, yesterday that was a big down day. I marked the chart beforehand. You can check the video again. How did I mark and why I was bearish? Everything is explained over there. That in that video. Yesterday I have just uploaded the video named daily bias. Today's daily bias. So here is today's candle. It's not okay. From daily chart, you can see there is the weekly, the discount week CE, consequent encroachment. I marked that out, and the volume balance here. This two level is my next target. Let's go to the hourly chart. Market come to this order block, respect that order block, and going down. You see the equal low. This is very clean. Market does not like that. It will break that low. It will definitely break that low. So I'm thinking that yeah, it will come, break this, find some support to the lowest part of the daily fair value gap, and then go at least until this in consequent encroachment, the daily week encroachment, you remember, and also the fair value gap, volume imbalance, sorry. It will go toward that. I don't want to go the price upper side and break this high. If it breaks higher, like let me mark it like this, if it happened, then maybe I will wait for more information. This fair value gap, you see this one, this hourly fair value gap will be in the crosshair in that case, but I don't want to see that. I want this fair value gap will work as a breakaway gap. So this high, it's crucial for me. I don't want to see this break with the energy. All I'm expecting is it will do something like that. So until this high is protected, I will look for the short. And also today is the FOMC day at 2 p.m. The FOMC news will released. Uh, you know how to trade FOMC. Michael, he actually teaches us very well. The first phase is the fake run. That means if at 2 we see something like this, at 2:30 it will go to the opposite side. That means the real run will happen at 2:30. So nothing is certain today. Market come to this fair value gap, daily fair value gap. It has totally traded over here. This double bottom is crucial right now. This is my target. Then we will see what happens. If it's just a shallow run, then go upside, break this high, market structure shift, and the fair value gap, if it happens to the upper portion of this fair value gap, then I will look for buy. At least the encroachment of this week, something like there, it will go to the encroachment of that week. Until then, I would like to see something like this. Let's go to the 15-minute. In 15-minute, you can see it has cleaned this buy side, support that hourly order block, and just the middle consequent encroachment of the daily fair value gap. Tap there, market comes lower. We'll see what happens to the New York session. All of this information actually helped me to look for the short today until this high is protected. If this is broken, then I will plan for buy over here. Okay, that's all. See you guys at the New York session. Maybe I will trade at the PM session because FOMC is more secured for me. Until then, cheers.